You can also generate out Lissajous inside of Shotcut. So to do that, you need to click on Open Other, and then Lissajous is an option, as you can see right here, which you need to click on. And over here, I'm just going to go around and click on OK, and you see something circular right now. So if you want to change this out, then you can change around the x-axis right here, as you can see, and the rotation happens just like this, as you can see. So the thing that you're seeing, that is the circular line, actually rotates around. You can click and drag around the y-axis over here as well, and then the value rotates around accordingly right here. And that is how you can generate out the thing right here. So you can also go around, and then you can bring out the this under the video timeline right here, and then this is what you have. So now you can go around and keep this in video, and if you want to have this effect for different reasons, you can use this easily. So that is how you can add in Lissajous inside of Shotcut project. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.